Now, banks are expected to ease up on their lending procedures to SME this year. But to see this change, financial experts say companies must shape up on their financial reporting. A study conducted last year involved 1,000 companies across key sectors, as well as 20 leading banks in the country, revealing the weaknesses of the industry and what can be done to improve on it. Khadija Saleh reports.
SMEs make up more than 98% of the business industry in the UAE and are considered the backbone of the country's economy. Despite these, experts say SMEs often find it difficult to get business loans approved from banks.
Any business segment, be it electronics, textiles, or food stuff, somebody would fail, default, run away. The banks would take a view that the entire segment of that business is bad. So they'll try and pull out from there, which will put everybody into the trouble. IFRS and similar accounting procedures, when they're adopted, the banks will have a comfort level that there's right reporting and they can understand a client of theirs on individual basis.
According to a study conducted by Jitendra Chartered Accountants, most SMEs suffer from a lack of accounting and auditing procedures that provide sufficient data. This vital information could reduce an interest rate on a business loan from 24% down to 10%.
In UAE, there's no accounting body. It is a need of the hour that all the accountants and accounting professional people like us, they should be brought under the umbrella of accounting body.
And while there is still a need for a regulating body for accountants in the UAE, a simplified guideline for SMEs has been released. It hopes to keep companies on the right track.
Mainly we are distributing in free zones and in the many business organizations where we are member, and very soon we are going to advertise in the newspapers for complimentary copy. This year we have decided to diversify into and form an educational institute, and our job is to train the accounting firms here, accountants and banks as well.
With the launch of the simplified guidebook, financial and banking experts hope SMEs in the country will adopt a culture of better transparency and accounting procedures to open doors for more opportunities. Khadija Saleh, 7 National News.
And for a detailed market analysis, we're now joined by Anil Sachdev, futures dealer